Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about the temporary table in structured query language. The temporary tables are just like any other normal table and they are created at the runtime in the temporary database, and they will be automatically deleted once the connection is terminated. And the temporary tables are used to store temporary data. There are two types of temporary table: local temporary table and the global temporary table. So first we're going to talk about the local temporary table. The local temporary tables are only exist for the current session and they will be deleted once disconnected. The syntax to create one temporary table is we have to write create table and then we have to use the single hash followed by the name of the table. The single hash indicates that this is one local temporary table, and then inside the parentheses we have to declare the column of the table along with the data type of that table. And this is the way we can create one local temporary table. So now we're going to talk about the global temporary table. The global temporary table is created with the double hash. So the syntax is we write create table and then we use double hash followed by the name of the table, and this way we can create one global temporary table. And the global temporary tables are visible to all connections and they will be deleted when the last connection is closed. So this is the way we can create one global temporary table and we can create one local temporary table in structured query language. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.